What's good, everybody? It's been a long weekend. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So this is gonna be a very short video just to tell you guys what's about to happen for the next month or so on my channel. So as we all mentioned, or as I mentioned, we are going to be doing a prop firm challenge. I put the 3 prop firms that I was looking at. I put it on my channel, and I told you guys these are the 3 prop firms. And today is the time that I'm gonna announce which prop firm I'm going with. I'm purchasing it today, and we starting tomorrow, guys. So basically, what this mini vlog is, or just like video is, it's just me telling you that I'm gonna be providing you guys with video updates every single day after my trading sessions, just updating you guys exactly how it's going. So this is episode, I'm gonna call it episode 0, because I don't see many people doing that really. So this is episode 0 of the prop firm challenge. We are actually starting the prop firm challenge, guys. We are actually purchasing it today. I am so excited, guys. I am so excited. So we are purchasing the 25k account from Funding Talent for $155. That's what we are going with. The reason why I'm going with this is because it fits my strategy perfectly. It fits my, in terms of the spread, the Funding Talent server is really good. They have extremely good spreads. They have no commissions, guys, and they don't trade over news. There's no rules or restrictions about news or holding. Although I don't hold, I'm very much a day trader or intraday trader, so I don't really hold trades, so that doesn't matter really for me. But I don't have to worry about news, even though I do take news into consideration. I don't have to worry about that. Don't have to do too much research about my account getting violating rules. Besides the daily drawdown and the maximum drawdown, I think Funding Talent is perfect for day traders, guys. I think it's perfect. I think that we only need to achieve 8% and 4% for the verification, and then boom, there's no minimum trading days such as FTMO and my Forex funds have. I am gonna be making singular videos on them. However, for today, I'm just announcing that we're going with Funding Talent, guys. Now, Funding Talent is raising their prices at the start of July the 1st. Their prices is going up a bit, but it's not that drastic. So yeah, but we are starting this week. A bit of an announcement too is that for this week, because it's the first week of, basically the first week of July, there is a ton of news. So the news that is going to be released is obviously NFP week. It's all of those big news announcements. So I know that I don't necessarily do too well in this first week. Generally, in the first week of any month, I don't do the best. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm only gonna be trading one trade a day for this week, and then my trading planner so says that I should only take 2 trades a day, risking maximum 0.5% on per trade, cutting my trades in half, and then therefore only having 0.5% risk of total for the day. Okay, guys, so that's the plan. I hope that you guys can help keep me accountable. I'm gonna be providing you guys with this video every single day, just giving you guys a bit of an update, whether I'm up, whether I'm down, doesn't really matter. It's just about transparency, knowing that I can only take 2 trades a day, and I have to come to you guys to say that I have taken this 2 trades. I haven't taken any more, I haven't taken any less. If there's no trades that presents itself, I'm gonna walk away from the charts, just knowing that I've attempted in my trading session. There was nothing with the pairs that I do trade. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this journey, guys. I will be doing like every Friday or Saturday morning, depending on the time. So this weekend was really, it was jam-packed with so much personal things to do. Yeah, you guys can see I hardly even cut my hair, so yeah, didn't shave. But it is what it is. We traders, guys. We traders. I'm looking forward, guys. If you guys are joining me on this journey, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what, if you have completed a challenge, if you are verified and you are funded by a certain prop firm, doesn't matter which prop firm. Let me know about the emotions that you went through with your first challenge. Let me know about the emotions that you went through when you got your account, and what you actually went through in day-to-day basis of trading the account. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, because you will be getting a ton of videos from me in the next month for the rest of the year. Actually, you'll be getting a ton of videos from me. Peace out.